Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, beautiful, most demanding crochet flower designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet flower patterns. I hope you also fine and doing well. Please friends, don't skip my video, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. Different color combination contrasts, stylish ideas, stylish designs, beautiful and trendy colors. New uploading ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also new designing ideas you can see in this my channel. You can decorate your dresses, your bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, curtains, baby frocks, baby caps, baby jackets with your beautiful and stylish crochet flowers. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet flowers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can make these very beautiful crochet flowers if you know crochet work. Give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy crochet flower design? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.